Budget laptop with solid everyday performance? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Lenovo IdeaPad 14AMN7 powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U. If you're looking for an affordable laptop for school, office work, or daily browsing, this might be worth considering. Let's break it down. This laptop comes with 4 cores, 8 threads. Base clock, 2.8 GHz. Boost up to 4.3 GHz. For everyday tasks like web browsing, Microsoft Office, YouTube and Netflix streaming, light multitasking. It performs smoothly without major lag. It also includes integrated AMD Radeon 610M graphics, which handles 4K video playback, light photo editing, very light gaming. Don't expect high-end gaming performance. Power adapter 65W round tip. 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, 5500 MHz, fast and responsive. 512GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, very good speed for boot times and file transfers. You get a 15.6 Full HD display, 1920 by 1080. Good for watching movies, online classes, office work. Colors are decent for the price range. Battery life: 42 Wh battery, 65W charger. You can expect around 6 to 8 hours of normal usage, browsing, office work, streaming. Ports and connectivity. You get USB 2.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB-C, data only, HDMI 1.4b, SD card reader, Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2. Pretty good connectivity for a budget laptop. Stereo speakers, 1.5W/2 with Dolby audio. Slim and lightweight. Cloud gray finish. Clean and minimal look. Non-backlit keyboard. Pros: efficient Ryzen 5 processor, lightweight design. Cons: RAM not upgradable, no backlit keyboard.